Unit 10.
A school first trip for Hampi.
Yes, a school trip to Hampi.
Good morning, ma'am.
How many of you all have gone and visited Hampi? Good morning, Umar. How many of you all have visited Hampi? Anyone who's gone and visited Hampi? Hampi is a...
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am. Which book, ma'am?
A very old village. Okay, where you will find many old temples over there. Okay. So here in this lesson, we see that children from a school, they are going to go for a picnic. To which place are they going? We are going to Hampi. Okay, the lesson unit 10, the lesson heading is Purandara Dasa part 1. Okay, the lesson name is Purandara Dasa part 1, page number 115. Everyone open your book to page number 115. Okay, what is the lesson name? Purandara Dasa part
1.
Yes, Purandara Dasa part 1. Okay, so here we are going to learn about school children like you all who go for a picnic. To which place are they going? Which place? They are going to Hampi. Okay, so here you can see the conversation that happens between two children. Okay, I want everyone to put your finger on your book. Put your finger on your book and follow what I'm reading. Okay, page number 115, everyone. Okay, page number 115. A school trip to Hampi. Suraj. Mohan, have you taken permission from your parents to go to the school trip? Okay, so you have one of the boy named Suraj asking his friend Mohan if he has taken permission from his parents to go for the picnic. Okay, so whenever principal sister informs you all that we'll be going for picnic, will you all just pack your bags and come?
No, ma'am.
No, you need to take permission from your parents, right? Okay, they have to tell, okay, you'll go and enjoy and come. Only then you will be able to come, right? You need to give a written consent from your parents to school saying that they are willing to send you. The same way here, Suraj asks Mohan if he has taken permission from his parents to go for the school trip, okay? My parents were happy about the place. So they were more than happy to send me. How about you, Anand? Okay, so what does Mohan say? Mohan says that his parents were very happy when they heard that they were going to Hampi. So his parents knew that he's going to learn something there. Okay, so they were very happy and they were willing to send him. And then whom does he ask whether that child has asked permission? It is a third child named Anand. Okay, Anand. Same here. My sister told me that even in the destroyed condition, Hampi speaks highly of King Krishna Devaraya. Okay, so here Anand says even his parents also were very happy that they were taking them to Hampi. And then he also gets information from his sister saying that even though, like I told you, Hampi is a very ancient, it's a very old village. Okay, and it is probably hundreds of years back. Okay, so that time what all the monuments or all the temples that were built was not the same now. Okay, they were all broken down, but even in spite of the destroyed condition, destroyed means in spite of them being ruined, okay, Hampi still speaks highly of which king? Of King Krishna Devaraya. Okay, the next child to speak is George. The Vijayanagara Empire was formed by Hakka and Bukka. I read it on the internet. It is situated on the banks of the river Tungabhadra. Here, the Vijayanagara Empire was founded by whom? It was founded by Hakka and Bukka. Okay, so who reads this on the internet, children? Who gets this information? It is George. Yes, George. He says that it is situated on the banks of a river. Which river is that? River Tungabhadra. Okay, so this river was situated on the banks of the river Tungabhadra. Okay, Suraj, we were still thinking of getting permission and you have already collected some information. What more have you read?
Page number.
Page number 115, Sherwin. Okay,
Ma'am,
page number
I
115.
can't see you, ma'am.
If you're not able to see me, Rutvik, you need to probably you're using a phone because of which you're not able to see me. Click on my photo, okay, on the video where I am talking. Then only you'll be able to see. Okay, or move the screen and see if you're able to see. Okay. Now here, Mohan has already got the permission from his parents, and so has Anand and George. Okay, here what does Suraj say? He says that we are still in the process of getting permission, but George has already collected information about the place that they were going to visit. Okay, yes, Kalpana?
For this lesson, you give notes, ma'am.
Today I'm giving you notes for the poem Five Old Crows. Okay, for this lesson, I'll be giving it to you next week only. Okay? Now, page number 116. Okay. Now who's asking George is I'm sorry, Suraj is asking George if he has got any more information on the place Hampi. Okay, so let's see what George answers. One more thing that I understood, there is a stone chariot. What do you mean by chariot, children? If you turn your book to page number 117, can you see this picture given here? This is called as a chariot. Okay. On page number 117, under new words, you'll have the picture given. This is called as a chariot. Okay, and this chariot in it is made up of stone. Okay, generally these vehicles are made up of wood, which is pulled by
Ma'am, your photo is lagging for me, ma'am.
Arvindan, then you need to please check your internet connection. Okay.
Ma'am, the wheels will fall off, no then, ma'am.
The wheel, no, these wheels are pretty strong. Okay, they will not fall off. Okay, they are made up of stone. They would have made in such a way that they do not fall easily. Okay, so here there is also the Vitala temple that has special type of pillars. Okay, what do you mean by pillars? Pillars are the stones. Okay, like these. Can you see these?
Stones.
Pillars.
Ma'am, that holds the roof, ma'am. Stones that hold the roof, ma'am.
See this.
Stone stands, ma'am.
On this page, these are called as pillars. Okay. When struck, they give out 7 musical notes. What are the 7 musical notes? Anybody who's learning music will know. What are the 7 musical notes? Sari, Gama, Pada, Nisa, right? Okay, so these are the 7 musical notes. When they strike this, you will hear all the 7 musical notes. Okay, you will learn more when you come to the class. Okay, so this boy George, he says this is the information that he has collected. What are the information? There is a stone chariot and also there are pillars where when struck they give 7 musical notes. Okay, then he says when you come to the class, you will get more information about this. Okay, Mohan. All right, Mr. Know-all. We will meet next Friday then. Bye, everybody. Okay, so what does Mohan say? Who is Mr. Know-all here? Who is Mr. Know-all? Who is Mr.
Mohan,
Know-all? Who knows?
George.
George. Yes, very good, Manvik. Okay, why does Mohan call George as Mr. Know-all? Because he has got more information than the other children. Okay, because of that, Mohan calls him. Probably he teases him. That, okay, Mr. Know-all, we will meet next Friday. Okay. Suraj and Mohan have gone far away from their group. They have all come to Hampi with their teachers. Okay, so the next paragraph shows that they have already reached their destination. That is, they have gone for the trip to which place? Which place were they going to? They were going to Hampi. Okay, so here they say that Suraj and Mohan have gone far away from their group, which means probably the children were left free, but within the teacher's watch. Okay, within the watch of the elders, they have left free. But then, what happened here? Suraj and Mohan, they have probably walked faster and they have moved away from their group. Okay, Suraj, Mohan, look at the old building near the river. Mohan, shall we go and see what it is? Okay, so what did Suraj say? Probably points out to an old building. Like I told you, there are many temples there. Okay, so all the temples are not in perfect condition. They are also ruined. So what does he say? Can you see the old building? So Mohan says, okay, let's go there and see what it is. Okay, Suraj, sure, it looks like a mantap. Who knows what is a mantap, children? Mandap is a place where generally marriages or any functions happen. Okay, that is called as a mandap. Okay, Suraj, look, there is a statue of a man with a tambura in his hand. Can you see the picture showing here? Okay, this is the picture of a person and the instrument that he's holding, that is called as a tambura. Okay, Mohan, and a pair of cymbals too. He is Purandara Dasa. So who is he? Who is this person? He is Purandara Dasa. His name is Purandara Dasa. Suraj, he is a devotee of Lord Vishnu. He composed devotional songs and sang in praise of him. Okay, so who is he? His name is Purandara Dasa, and he is a devotee of which god? He is a devotee of Lord Vishnu. Okay, and what has he done? He has composed, that is, he has written many songs and he has sang in praise of Lord Vishnu. Okay, Mohan, what simplicity in his looks. Can you believe it? Okay, generally, if a person is really very well off, you can see in their outfit, right? Okay, but here this person is very simple. That is what he says. Though he is so famous, he is so simple. Okay, he was a rich man before he became the devotee of the God. Okay, so before he became a sannyasi or before he became a saint, he was a very, very rich person. Okay, that is why Mohan says, what simplicity in this look. Okay, being such a rich person, his dressing sense and everything shows that he is a very simple person. Okay, Suraj, can you please tell me his story? Mohan, I don't know the details. We will go to our teacher. She will tell us the story. Okay, so when Mohan says that he was a very rich person, Suraj becomes even more interested to know what sort of a person he is. Right? Okay, so he asks Mohan to tell him more about his life. Okay, that time Mohan says that he's not sure about his life, but then they will go to his teacher who will give them all the details. Okay, Suraj. Yes, it will be fun. She is sitting there with the others. Shall we go? And Mohan says, come, let's go. Okay, this is part one. This is the play. This is the part where they show that the children of that class have gone to a trip to Hampi. Okay, and whose idol do they see there, and or whose picture do they see? Whose statue do they see there? Very good. They see the statue of Purandara Dasa. What did he have in his hand? He is a devotee of Lord Vishnu. Okay, he is a devotee of Lord Vishnu. In the statue also was holding something in his hand. What was it?
Tambura, ma'am.
Tambura. Very good. He had a tambura. Very good, Ankit. Okay, and what else did he have in his hand?
Symbol.
Symbols. Okay, see, can you see the picture shown here on the next page? Okay, where the picture of the chariot was given, you also have the picture of symbols. Okay, where you just need to bang them, the two plates. Okay, that is called as symbols. Okay, and now what information does Mohan give Suraj regarding him? He says that this person, okay, Purandara Dasa was a very rich person, but then in the statue they see that he is very simple. Okay, so when Suraj asks Mohan for more information about this person Purandara Dasa, he says that he does not know. He will go to the teacher and find out more about it. Okay, so here in this part you learn about who is going to Hampi. The school children, they go to Hampi, and then they see the statue of Purandara Dasa in part 2. Okay, Purandara Dasa part 2, you will learn about this person. Okay, what is his actual name and how he turned out to be a saint. Okay, in part 2, you're going to learn about all this. Okay, in this part, do you have any doubts? In the lesson that we have read now, do you have any doubts, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then I will ask you a few
The village
questions. Let me
still,
see.
ma'am, the village is it still there, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Is the village still there, ma'am?
Yes, it is still there. You can go and visit. Okay, but now is not the right time because of this pandemic. But probably once everything settles down, you can still go and visit. Okay. So in this
Is
lesson,
it far, ma'am, from here?
it is somewhere in the south of Karnataka. It is within Karnataka, Erin. You can go and visit and come. Probably can ask your parents. Okay. Now here in this lesson, which place are the children going for the trip or for the picnic?
Hampi, ma'am.
Hampi, very good. So when they go to the place Hampi, before they go to the place, George gives some information about this place. Okay, what was it? He gives them two pieces of information on this Hampi.
The
Right?
village empire of founded by Hafsa and Bukka. I read it on the internet. It's a study on the banks of the river.
Yes, he reads that it is they're situated on the banks of the river Tungabhadra. Okay. Now here George also says that there is a famous thing over there. What is that? The special type. There are special type of pillars. When struck, they give out the 7 musical notes. Okay, and then there was also a stone chariot. Okay, there was also a stone chariot there, right? Okay, now when they go for the picnic, when they are already there in the place Hampi, Suraj and Mohan, they keep walking. Okay, which means they have moved forward and they have moved away from their group. So when they are moving like that, what do they see in front of them? They see a old building, right? So that time they say, okay, that time Suraj says, let's go there and see what it is. Okay, Mohan says, let's go and see what is there in that old building. So when they come to the building, what are the other things that they see? What else did they see? They say they saw someone's statue there in the old building. In the monument.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Whose statue was that? Very good. That was Purandara Dasa's statue. What did he have in his hand? He had a
Tambura.
tambura. Very good. Along with the tambura, what else did he have?
Symbols.
Symbols. Right? He also had symbols. Okay. Now here, turn your view to the next page. Page number 100.
What is pillar, ma'am? What is pillar?
Pillars are, can you see this on page number 116? Can you see the picture shown here? These are called as pillars. Okay, these are called as pillars. Okay, they are the stones. Okay. Now page number 117. Let us know the new word. Okay. Devotee. Meaning of devotee
A
is a person who
person
worships God. Yes, very good. Next one, composer, writer of
Right
song
of
or
some music.
music. Okay, symbols, plates of brass
Plates
with
of
ringing sound.
sound.
Of brass which produces ringing sound. That is when you bang them together, two plates, that time it makes a sound. Okay. Now answer the following in your notebook. These notes I will be giving you, but next week. Okay. Mohan and Suraj have gone on a school trip to which place? Hampi. In the dash there, write Hampi. Right, capital Hampi. Hampi. Page 117. Answer the following in your notebook. The first one, they have given you a dash there. Write Hampi there. Capital Hampi. Hampi. Okay, all of you have written.
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
I cannot see the board,
the rest of
ma'am.
the answers I will be giving you. Okay, the rest of the notes I will be giving you. Okay. Second question, what do they see there?
Ma'am, first one what, ma'am?
They see an old building, right? Yes, Kushi?
First one, ma'am.
First one, only the dash, you just write Humpty. Okay, in the dash, write Humpty. Okay?
Which page number, ma'am?
Page number 117. Alpina, what were you doing? Okay. Answer the following. First answer is Humpy. Capital Hampi. Okay.
First one dash, ma'am. I wrote, ma'am.
Dash. Okay. Second, these and all you just answer it orally. I will give you the notes to write. Okay. Now you just answer them orally. What do they see there? What do they see there? They see an old building which look like a mandap. Okay.
What, ma'am? Can you see me, ma'am?
Mandap is
What is the first
where
one,
they
ma'am?
usually hold functions. Okay. Probably if you've gone for any
Excuse
wedding.
me, ma'am.
Yes, Cecil.
What is the first one, ma'am?
Cecil, first answer is Humpy. Capital Hampi. Humpy.
P.I.
Okay, everyone is written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now the next three question answers, just answer them orally. You will not write anything in your book now. Okay? Whose statue is there in the mandap? Yes, very good. Okay, it was Purandara Dasa. Sitting with the other children. Who was sitting with the other children?
My brother, ma'am.
Who was George was sitting with the other children? Suraj and Mohan have gone far away, right? And then when Suraj gives him some information about Purandara Dasa, not Suraj, Mohan gives him some information about Purandara Dasa, and when Suraj asks for more information, Mohan says, I do not know, but let's go to the teacher to ask, right? With whom was the teacher sitting? She was sitting with the other children. Okay, so who was sitting with the other children?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Who was sitting with the other children?
Teacher, ma'am.
Teacher was sitting. Yes. Yes, Umar.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Umar.
My Zoom is cutting, ma'am.
Then you need to check your internet connection, Umar. Okay. Now next one, complete the sentences to get answers. Okay, where is Humpy? Where in Humpy did Mohan and Suraj go? They went to, where did they go? They went to an old building, right? Where did they go?
building, ma'am.
Yes, it was an old building.
Mandap, ma'am.
It looked like a mandap. Okay, so where did they go? Where in Humpy did Mohan and Suraj go? They went to
ಅವ್ರು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ
old building which looked. You needn't have to write this. You will not have enough space. I will be giving you these answers, okay? Which look like a mandap, okay? Okay. Do not write. The space is not sufficient in your book. Okay, I will be giving you these notes in your classwork. Okay, so you just answer them. What did they see in the mandap? What did they see in the mandap? They saw the
Statue, ma'am.
statue. Very good. They saw the statue of Purandara Dasa. What did they see in Purandara Dasa's hand? They saw him holding two things. What were they?
Tambura, ma'am.
Tambura and cymbal. Okay, he was holding a tambura and cymbals in his hand. Okay, now next page.
ma'am.
Yes, next page. In whose praise were the songs written and sung? They were sung. In whose praise and in whose praise, children? He was a devotee of which god?
Vishnu, God, Vishnu.
Very good. Of Lord Vishnu. Okay, so they were sung in praise of Lord Vishnu. Okay.
Ma'am, I can't see the board, ma'am.
Now I'm not writing anything on the board, Arvindan. I told you I will be giving you the notes for these. Okay, I will write and I will send it to you. Okay, now you just pay attention. Now next one, let us learn new words. Fill in the blanks choosing the words given in brackets. Okay, Michael was a dash of music. Michael was, you have three words given here: praised, statue, and composer. So what word can you use? Which word would be appropriate?
Michael is dancing, ma'am.
Composer. Very good. In that dash, write composer. Okay.
What page number, ma'am?
Page number 118. Children, you need to pay attention in the class. Okay, page number 119. Oh, sorry, 18. Michael was a composer. Composer.
First one dashed, ma'am.
Here. Can you all see? You need to write it here. Michael was a composer of music. He was dashed by music lovers. He was praised. 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 Right. P-R-A-I-S-E-D. Praised by music lovers. Okay, Michael was a composer of music. He was praised by music lovers. His dash is seen in many parts of the world. His statue, very good. His statue, S-T-A-T-U-E. His statue is seen in many parts of the world.
Ma'am, it is not this, ma'am.
You need to write it small, Omar. Okay, write fit the word in that blank. Otherwise, write it little above. Okay, so that paragraph is Michael was a composer of music. He was praised by music lovers, and his statue is seen in many parts of the world.
Ma'am, in the last mail, which was the fourth answer?
Fourth answer, they were sung in praise of Lord Vishnu. This answer, I told you, that means I will be giving you the question and answers. Okay, in your classwork. All of you have written these three words. Have you completed here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, in this lesson, do you have any
Yes,
doubts,
ma'am.
children?
No, ma'am.
Everyone has understood this lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so if you have no doubts, then we will wind up with the class. I will be sending you the notes for this lesson. I will be sending you the notes. Okay, and even for the previous game also. Okay, both I will send you to complete those notes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
children.
ma'am.
If you have no doubts, all of you have written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, if you have already finished, then we will wind up with the class.